this video will be a sit down video because I just gonna literally eat my breakfast with you in front of you. So this breakfast that I got right here is not a normal breakfast that what you expect in breakfast time because I have a fish fingers, baked potatoes, and Savoy cabbage, and parsley sauce, and my favorite juice lately, a tropical juice. I'm not promoting this, but I just love this. And I will answer some questions as well so that we will survive this sit-down video, because I am not really good at doing sit-down video because I'm not a talkative person, you see. Yeah, so I've just noticed lately I've been asked many times why I do so much hours, why I work long 14 hours, do I get break in between doing such a long hours. Yes, I do get break in between doing 14 hours, and doing 14 hours is tiring. It is tiring, but it's not exhausting, if you know what I mean. I don't know if I make sense, but because if you don't know, I am working as a care assistant. I am working in residential home, and most of our residents are able-bodied. They can do most of everything. Sometimes we are very busy, and sometimes you just literally falling asleep because there's nothing to do. And yeah, because I am contracted now with 40 hours a week, and I know it's a long hours, and you just need to get used to it, because the first time I've done 14 hours, I just feel so tired, and seriously, I feel like drained, no energy. But now I am used to it, and I have to work for like full time because I really need the money. And yeah, I hope I answer your question. So the next question is, he is asking me, where did I bought my tripod and what brand? I bought my tripod in Amazon, and the brand of my tripod is iGadgets. I will put the name in the description, and I also put the link in the description below so you can check it out if you like. And the third question. Oh, hindi ko pa nasisimulan yung breakfast ko. Lalamig na to. The third question is, paano po bang mag-vlog? Just go with it. Mag-film ka, then i-upload mo sa YouTube. Yun. Sobrang simple lang. This is my first time to have a parsley sauce. I never have this before. But somebody says that parsley sauce is good with fish finger. So, I don't know. Let's try. I don't know. It's okay, but I'm not so keen. I did not make this, by the way. I have a like pang mix na siya. Then you just need to put a hot water and then mix it, put it in the microwave for 1 minute, and this is the result. The Savoy cabbage is very good, and the potato. Next question. She is asking if kumakain ba daw ng rice si Jan. Yes, Jan eats rice, and he love rice with sinigang. He love it. He love the combination of rice and sinigang. That's his favorite. Next question. Ate Mia, madali lang po ba makahanap ng trabaho sa UK? Ang masasagot ko dito is depende siguro, kasi para sa akin, nahirapan akong maghanap ng trabaho dito sa UK kasi noon kasi nung naghahanap ako ng trabaho, I just focus sa caregiver na trabaho kasi dito kasi sa UK, ang caregiver is sobrang demand niya. And nung nag-apply ako sa mga ganyang jobs dito, wala akong experience, and mostly sa mga in-applyan ko, desirable talaga na may experience, may qualification. So I did apply few companies and they all rejected me, seriously. And I am so blessed na may kaibigan si Jan na yung asawa niya nagtatrabaho sa residential home at ano niya ako ni-recommend. So as in talaga sobrang dali kong nakapasok. Wala siyang formal interview kasi tinawagan ko yung company ko na pinagtatrabuhan ko ngayon. Tinawagan ko siya. Din pagkabukas, sabi niya na, can I meet you tomorrow? Bring your passport and everything, your proof of identity. Hindi nila ako inas kung may experience ba ako, may mga qualifications ba ako. As in, sobrang dali lang talaga. That's why, sobrang thankful ko talaga sa pinagtatrabuhan ko and sa kaibigan ko na ni-recommend ako kasi reference din. Kinakailangan nila ng reference at wala talaga ako maibigay na reference noon nung nag-a-apply ako sa ibang company kasi kailangan nila ng mga reference, mga ganyan-ganyan, at nahihirapan talaga ako kasi baguhan na ako sa UK. So, yun, depende talaga siguro. Kasi sa location din namin, parang for me, yung location namin is walang masyadong naghahanap ng mga trabaho, or walang mga masyadong opportunities kasi nasa countryside kami. Unlike sa cities, in a big cities like London, maraming mga job opportunities dun. But I'm not saying that dito sa amin walang job opportunities. Meron, pero yun nga, malayo kami sa city. You need to drive. My camera is blinking, mga palangga, so I just gonna change my camera and I'll be back. And I am back. So the next question is, nag-ask siya dito, hi po, gaano po ba kahirap tumira sa ibang bansa? Kasi yung fiancé ko, nagplano siya na dalhin niya ako sa Switzerland. For me, mahirap. Hindi ko man ipinapakita sa inyo na nahihirapan ako, sad ako dito. Kasi magaling ako doon eh. Magaling ako na mag-pretend, charot. Naghugot. May mga times talaga na malungkot, mahirap, ganyan. Normal yan. Mahirap kasi first, malayo ka sa pamilya mo. Secondly is kung wala kang relatives dito sa abroad, sa ibang bansa, wala kang malalapitan kung may mga problema ka. Like for example, for me, ako lang mag-isa dito and Jan, my husband. So may mga times talaga na sometimes you need to be with your family just to, basta may mga ganong bagay kung naiintindihan niyo ako. So for me, mahirap na masaya, na masakit, halo-halo. Parang rainbow talaga pag tumira ka sa ibang bansa. Gaano po ba kayaman si Ate Mia? Hala, charot, oy. Wala, sobrang day, purdoy day. Yun na muna yung mga sasagutin ko, mga palangga. So, yeah! Gusto ko sanang mag-sauna today. And if you don't know what sauna, ito yung sauna namin. Napakita ko to sa house tour. Sauna is para siyang steaming house. Steaming house! Ala ka! Steaming house. Ito yung sauna namin, oh. Ito siya. There. Hindi siya nagpo-focus kasi umuulan kasi. So, yun na nga. Gusto ko mag-sauna sana pero yung weather umuulan. At it's not a good timing. So, I'm just gonna stay at home. And today is my day off. And the time now is 8:45 in the morning. So, yun. Oh, look at that! It's snowing! Oh, can I reach it? Oh, I cannot. I'm going out. Look at that. It's so white. Are you ready to go? Oh, it's freezing. I just like the feel of snow. Look, it's wet. Oh dear. Sarap ng snow. Oh, it's really freezing. Parang buwang lang ba? Let's go inside the greenhouse. My camera is time-lapsing. That window in there, my camera is right there. So that's why I am using Jan's phone. Balik na tayo. Gusto ko lang lumabas. Wala lang. Racing! Oh, oh, slippery. Oh gosh. Oh, self-inflicted.